Here is a question from IERODOC, question number 1.326 from fluid dynamics or fluid mechanics or hydrodynamics. In this question, it is given that on the opposite sides of a wide vertical vessels filled with water, two identical holes are opened, each having area of cross section is equal to S. The height difference between them is equal to del H. Find the resultant force of reaction of the water flowing out of the vessel. For solving this question, this is a figure of the or diagram of the question. From this diagram, this is the vessel and there are two holes, one is this and another is this. So from first hole is located at a depth h from the topmost point of the vessel, and the second hole is located at a distance del h below the first hole. So depth of the first hole is h and depth of the second hole is h plus del h. Now velocity of a flask from the first hole will be under root v1 will be under root 2g h, and velocity of a flask from the second hole will be equal to v2 equal to under root 2g into h plus del h. So this is the velocity of a flask of these two from these two holes. As we know, the force F is equal to rho a v square. So force created by first hole is equal to F1 equal to rho a v1 square. So we can write this F1 is equal to rho a and v1 square is equal to 2gh. So its ultimate value will be 2 rho a g h. Now force exerted from the second hole is F2 will be equal to rho a v2 square. So if we substitute the value of v2 from this equation, then we will find that will be rho a 2h 2g into h plus del h. Now or if we arrange this, then our F2 will be equal to 2 rho g s into h plus del h. Rho g, or here a is s, rho g s h plus del h. Now the resultant or net force will be F net is equal to F2 minus F1. So we can write this force is equal to 2 rho g s h minus 2 rho g s h plus del h. So our net force exerted on the vessel will be F net is equal to 2 rho g s. We take this common, then our remaining term will be h minus h plus del h. So this h and h get cancelled. After cancelling, we'll get the value of F net, which will be equal to 2 rho g s into del h. So this is required expression or value for finding the net force which is exerted on the vessels due to these two holes or opening. So our ultimate F net is equal to 2 rho g s del h.